Thanks for tuning in to my video. If you want to see how I made this beautiful mug, keep watching. Okay, first off, I got a 15-ounce mug. I'm going to measure it to where I want it. I want it kind of like at 3.75, which is about right here. And I'm going to probably start right there and take it around. To about 9. Now I'm going to head over to Silhouette Studios to size the image that I'm going to use for the mug. Okay, now that we're in Silhouette Studios, I'm going to go ahead and click the files icon so I can go ahead and grab my image that I want to use. So now my image is downloading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize the screen so I can resize the image so it'll fit on the white mat. So I'm going to size my image down to 3.75 in length and 9 inches in width. Now that my image is sized, I'm going to go ahead and maximize the screen. I want the image to fit the entire mug. So now I'm just going to duplicate the image so I don't waste any sublimation paper. So now that I'm done arranging the images, I'm going to go ahead and hit print. Now I'm going to hit print at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to find the printer that I'm going to use, which is my Epson Sublimation printer. And I'm going to flip the image horizontally. Now it's time to print the image. Yeah, these colors are so vibrant. Okay, now we have the image printed out. I printed out 2 just so I wouldn't waste the paper. So now I'm gonna cut one of the images. I'm gonna cut close to the image as possible. Now that we have the image cut, I'm gonna clean the mug with alcohol. Just to get all the oils and everything off of it. I'm not gonna too much worry about the lint because I have a lint roller. When I sublimate, I always use a lint roller. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, now we could go ahead and use the lint roller. This is what you gotta really do some serious eyeballing. I cut it kind of crooked too, but I can see the image through the paper. Here I am just taping my image securely to the mug, because if I have any loose spots, I will experience ghosting. Ghosting is where the colors are faded in spots that was not flat to the surface. Okay, now the heat press has heated up. It's on green. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. And I'm gonna put the mug in and line it up to where my image is. So now when it takes about 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. That was the indicator sound to let me know it's done. So now I'm just gonna pop it open. And, oh Lord. See the steam coming from it? You can see how the image has bled through. Moment of reveal. Oh, wow. Wow. Wowzers. Wow. Wow. I have no clue what that is and where it came from. But it's okay, because I'm going to use this mug for myself. Oh, God. How pretty. The colors are so vibrant. Move the light out the way. And that concludes day 2 of Craftmas. So if you like my videos and want to see more on sublimation, make sure you click the playlist on the screen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.